Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the best extra-large door stopper on the market, the Strongest Home XL Heavy-Duty Door Stopper. This isn't just any door stopper. It's designed for heavy doors and large gaps, combining durability, style, and superior grip to keep your doors secure and stable. Right off the bat, what sets this door stopper apart is its robust construction. Made from a combination of metal and rubber, it offers exceptional strength without compromising on grip. The rubber features a unique wave-patterned surface that provides superior traction, preventing unwanted movement no matter how heavy or large the door is. Whether your door swings open on carpet, tile, wood, or stone floors, this stopper maintains a firm hold. One of the key benefits of this product is its size. Measuring 5 inches long, it's specifically crafted to handle doors with large bottom gaps. This extra length makes it ideal for spaces where traditional door stoppers simply aren't enough to bridge the gap and keep the door steady. The chrome finish adds a modern, polished look, making it suitable for both home and office environments without sacrificing aesthetics. Another thoughtful feature is the inclusion of an adhesive holder. This convenient accessory allows you to store the door stopper within easy reach when it's not in use, keeping your space neat and organized. No more searching around the floor or dealing with misplaced stoppers. In terms of versatility, this door wedge is a reliable option for everyday use. Whether you need to hold a door open for ventilation, prevent it from slamming shut, or simply protect your floors and walls from damage, this product performs consistently and dependably. Its heavy-duty design makes it especially useful for securing doors in high-traffic areas or places where extra stability is needed. The Strongest Home XL Door Stopper stands out for combining functionality with style and convenience. It offers a polished, modern finish, durable materials, and a practical size that addresses the challenges of larger door gaps. This product is an excellent choice if you're looking for a door stopper that won't just do the job but will do it with long-lasting strength and ease. That wraps up our review of the Strongest Home XL Heavy-Duty Door Stopper, the best extra-large door stopper available. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more honest product insights.